front of us, almost hit us on a merge. Tailgating a motorcycle.
Yep, over 107.
And then that Santa Fe up there is brake checking in front of the motorcycle a little bit. And cut in front of them. Careful.
Yeah, we're heading south on 107. Route 1. Yeah, white Honda Santa Fe. Yeah.
Brand new Honda.
That's plate 3872274. Yep. 3872274.
Wow.
Again.
Is that really brand new, or is that license plate expired? Look at that. He's tailgating the motorcycle. Look at that. Not even a little space. Look at that. Right on the edge. We're boxing him in. All because we were trying to give them space. And they decided, oh, I don't want to give space. I want to cut people off. Look at that. Look at that. Not even enough space. Not even 5 feet. Not even 5 feet. Look at that.
We just passed by Hampton Hall Post Office right now. By the Hampton Post Office. 3872274. Honda Palo Ride.
Yeah, shouldn't it be having a real license plate by now? Now you're giving him 5 feet. Mister, I want to cut in front of people and not even give 5 feet.
Now he's giving up space.
5 feet at all times.
That's about the penguin.
Doesn't matter what car you're driving, give him 5 feet.